Hello, I am Rakesh and you are watching my channel. चलो सीखते हैं. Today we will take pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that comes in place of a noun. For example, the boy likes his cat. He likes his cat. He is a pronoun that comes in place of the noun the boy. A pronoun also replaces a noun phrase. That is a phrase that contains a noun. For example, the yellow house is for sale. This is a phrase and this is a noun that it replaces the noun phrase that is for sale. Now come to the kinds. What are the kinds of pronoun? There are 10 kinds of pronouns. First, personal pronouns. Second, possessive pronoun. Third, interrogative pronoun. Fourth, demonstrative pronoun. Fifth, indefinite pronouns. Relative pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Emphatic pronoun. Distributive pronouns and reciprocal pronoun. Now take us personal pronouns. Personal pronoun replaces proper names of person, that is Ram Shyam. It replaces proper names of persons, that is Ram, Shyam. Animal, that is Moti. Moti is a name of the animal. Places, that is Patna, Delhi. And things such as the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Taj Mahal. For example, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. It is in Agra. It replaces the thing, the Taj Mahal. Now, persons. There are three persons of personal pronoun. First, फर्स्ट पर्सन, इट रेफर्स टू द स्पीकर. बोलने वाले को फर्स्ट पर्सन करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई, वी. सेकेंड पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन रेफर्स टू द लिसनर. सुनने वाले को सेकेंड पर्सन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू. थर्ड पर्सन, refers to the people or things not directly involved. Not directly involved. For example, he, she, it, they, etc. Personal pronoun change therefore with change in gender, number and case. Change in gender. For example, Ravi. Ravi bought a camera. He bought a camera. He replaces Ravi. Sony, Sony bought a red rose flower. She bought a red rose flower. She for girl and he for boy. Change in gender, change in pronoun. Now change in number. Number means singular or plural number. For example, the child is watering the flowers. The child, he or she, third person singular pronoun, he or she is watering the flower. Change in number. Children are playing. Children are playing in the park. So pronoun change. They are playing in the park. Change in gender, change in number. Now change in case. Change in case. For example, this shirt is mine. Possessive pronoun. This shirt belongs to me. Objective preposition. Objective case. This is the object. Objective to preposition. Objective case pronoun. Now cases. Cases of personal pronouns or cases of pronouns. Case refers to the form a noun or pronoun takes according to its function. If a pronoun acts as a subject, it is said to be in the subjective case, and if a pronoun acts as an object, it is said to be in the objective case. And if the pronoun shows ownership, it is said to be in the possessive case. There are three cases of pronoun. First, subjective case, second objective case, and third possessive case. Subjective case is also called a nominative case. First, subjective case. When the pronoun is the subject in the sentence, it is said to be in the subjective case. For example, I have a pet. He is in this sentence. I and he is the subject. This is the subject in the sentence. So pronoun is called in the subjective case, objective case. When the pronoun is the direct object, indirect object, or object of the preposition, it is said to be in the objective case. For example, object, it is of the object of preposition. It is said to be in the objective case. Second, I send letter to Jill. I sent letter to Jill. What did I send? I sent letter. This is direct object. Direct object. And to whom? To whom did I send a letter? I sent letter to Jill. This is indirect object. So I sent it. Pronoun. Direct object pronoun. Her. Indirect object. So the pronoun it and her both are in the objective case. Now possessive case. A possessive case pronoun replaces a possessive adjective plus noun. Replaces. It replaces a possessive adjective plus noun. Possessive adjective plus noun. For example, this dog is her dog. This is possessive adjective. And this is a noun. And possessive case pronoun replaces. This dog is hers. Hers replaces possessive adjective plus noun. Now look at the chart. Here persons, here number, subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. Here possessive adjective, possessive adjective, persons, first person, second person, third person. First person, second person, third person. Number means singular and plural. Singular, here plural, singular, plural, singular, plural. Here subjective case, subjective is singular I, plural we, you, he, she, it, and plural subjective case they. This side me, us, you, him, her, it, and objective case them. Him, her, it, and them. Possessive case, this side possessive adjective. Mine, my, our, yours, your, his, hers, its, theirs, his, her, its, there. So my, our, your, his, her, its, and their, these are not the pronoun. They are not the pronoun. They are the possessive adjective. Now we will take second pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. Second pronoun is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns indicate possession. Possession means ownership. मतलब उस वस्तु का मालिक कौन है या किसके अधिकार क्षेत्र में वह वस्तु है. Indicate possession, ownership. For example, this bag is mine. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns should not be confused with possessive adjective. Difference between possessive pronoun, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Possessive adjective comes before a noun that they describe, but possessive pronoun replaces pronoun, and there is no noun after possessive pronoun. Possessive adjective. Here possessive pronoun. Possessive adjective, possessive pronoun. Possessive adjective, my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Possessive pronoun, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. These are the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun. Let us see a difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. For example, is this your umbrella? This is possessive adjective. It is followed by noun. Possessive adjective. It is followed by noun. B. Is this yours? Possessive pronoun. There is no noun after possessive pronoun. Take another example. Example 2. This red bag is my bag. My possessive adjective, and this is a noun. B. This red bag is mine. This is possessive pronoun. So let us take some notes. We don't use its as a possessive pronoun. We don't use its as a possessive pronoun. We don't use its as a possessive pronoun because possession is not attributed to neuter noun. Neuter means वस्तु. किसी वस्तु का कोई पॉजेसिव केस नहीं होता. एंड सेकेंड, माई, आवर, हिज, हर, etc. My, our, his, her, its, etc. Possessive adjective. These are not pronoun. These are possessive adjective. Another kinds we will take in another video. Thanks.